one more time proving that SEZANE is not only for young women. It's been a while. I'm back for a SEZANE review. Thank you so much for all of your kind messages that you have sent me through this month. I much needed this time and I hope to be back more regularly from now on. Your messages were very, very important to me. You can't imagine. I just loved all your comments, all your kind wishes, and always asking me if I was okay and that you missed my videos. So here am I back with a SEZANE review for you. So SEZANE released the fall collection last September. I didn't have the time to do a video talking about that collection, but I wanted you to know that that collection was one of my favorites, so I think it is one of the most beautiful collections SEZANE has ever did. I think they have improved the quality of their items and I fell in love with the collection. So from that collection I ordered 3 pieces. Actually is 4 items today. I have 2 pairs of shoes, a pair of trousers and a coat. As always, you can expect this video to be not only a review of the pieces, talking about quality, fabric, the cut, how the piece feels in our body, but as always on my channel, you can also expect different ways to style each item. All the links to these pieces will be in the description box below as always. So without further ado, let's begin with the first one, and I think I will be starting with a pair of trousers. These are called the Asthma trousers and they are a pair of tailored trousers. They don't have any pleats at the front, which I kind of like it also. So they are more kind of this straight design, wide legs, but not very wide. A width that is in between a straight leg and a wide leg. The fabric feels really soft. They are made of 59% wool, 30% polyester, 9% polyamide and 2% other fibers, whatever that means. They are also lined with viscose fabric. The lining gives the trousers a little bit more structure. So they have these side Italian pockets, at the back welt pockets, and they close with a zip hook and hidden button. They have amazing details. Really well made. They have belt loops. They have this pleated crease all along the front and also at the back. And so I think it's gonna be raining in a minute. So these trousers are perfect to style for every day. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. You can wear them with a high heels and a shirt, or with a pair of sneakers and a top, a leather jacket, any kind of blazer. Beautiful Prince of Wales pattern, classic. I don't know if you are aware of the trends for this year, but this pattern, this kind of country inspired, English country inspired, are very, very on trend this year. So they have good construction. You can see all the lines are really well aligned. As for sizing, I went for size 40. They say on the website if you are between sizes to size down. I don't agree at all. So you have my measurements in the description box below. My hips are a little bit less than 100 centimeters, are around 98, 99 centimeters. And this is size 40 and they are a little bit tight. I'm considering changing them for even a size bigger, because I'd like these trousers to be more loose. In case you are interested, all the sizes available. Definitely take a look of these trousers. I think they have a good quality for the price. Then I ordered this jacket. I think this is the Raphael coat. Yes, this is the Raphael coat. And it is a little bit more expensive, but this coat is made in 100% wool. A very, very soft wool. This is a double face wool, so the coat is not lined. and I just love it like that. So a natural fiber, it will keep you very, very warm despite being lightweight. Because sometimes lined coats get to be very, very heavy and they are not as comfortable to wear as a non-lined coat. I just love these warm and light coats. And also it is made in Romania, so in Europe. It ticks all the boxes that I just love. I also love the design of this coat. It is very on trend, this high collar, that you can style it also closed and you have a high neck. You can wear it completely loose and you have these flaps that kind of give movement to the jacket. It has raglan sleeves and also these details on the cuffs on both, so with this button. It can also be opened. It has two patch pockets at the front and in my opinion it has the perfect length. I just think that black coat, black simple coat, it's just the perfect item that I can grab for any occasion, for every day, for a night out. It's just perfect. Of course the price is higher, but you don't find a lot of coats made out of 100% wool at this price point. On the side you are seeing how I styled this coat. You can style it completely loose, completely open and loose, also completely closed and just like that, but also you can wear a belt on your waist and cinch in the waistline, which gives this coat a really, really special touch. It is one of my favorite ways to style this jacket, and for an evening out I think it will be also very beautiful. On the website they styled it with a very large belt, but if you want, you can absolutely wear a thinner one. It is also really beautiful. About the sizing, this is really important. On the website they say also that this coat runs large, is slightly oversized, so no need to size up. I ordered size 38, which is my usual size on SEZANE, but as you are seeing, I think size 40 would be much better for me, not only on the sleeves. These are not very wide sleeves, and if I wanted to wear it with a more chunky sweater, I just need to size up. So, a black coat, a basic, a staple in every woman's wardrobe, and I decided to invest in a good one, a good, simple black coat that despite the price, it is indeed an investment piece that will be in my closet for years to come, and that I will be able to wear non-stop. This is a forever piece in every woman's wardrobe. So let me just place the coat here and start to talk about shoes. The first pair that I wanted to talk about is this pair of ballerinas. I think they are called Agata. As you are seeing, I already worn these shoes, so they are very, very comfortable. They have padded insoles, very, very comfortable. I opted for the suede camel version. They act like a nude shoe, a staple that you can style also with everything, with trousers, with skirts, with dresses, everything. And I just love these shoes. They are also available in a dark chocolate brown, also in red, in silver, so lots of colors to choose from, and they have amazing quality. And last but not least, a pair of boots, and these are the Leanne boots, also made in real suede, in this mocha chocolate brown, so beautiful. They are incredibly beautiful. Not only the design of the boots, but also the color. It is a rich brown. Mocha is perfect to describe this color. So I went up a size. I went for size European 41, and on the ballet flats I went true to size, so European 40, and they kind of run a little bit loose, so no need to size up in the ballet flats. On the boots, because they have a pointy toe, I always go up a size. During winter, I just love to wear an extra pair of socks on top of my tights, or even wear two pair of socks to kind of keep my feet warm. They also have this zip on the inner part in a similar color of the boot, which is perfect and helps to put them on and off. They are 39 centimeters tall and they have a very generous and wide calf area. Well, let me just measure for you. 42 centimeters width, which is around 17 inches, which is great. And also, as I said, the length is 39 centimeters, which is around 15.5 inches. They are a pair of knee-high boots, but not as tall as other designs. So in my opinion, also the perfect pair of boots to wear for your office outfits, for our evening outfits, and these boots are just amazing. They have a really nice padding, they are very, very comfortable to wear. I really think a nice pair of boots to wear this season. And that is all for today. I hope you did enjoy this review, the styling options also that I show you. I think my other SEZANE orders are arriving this week, at least some by the end of this week and the rest in the next week. And so I will be back with another SEZANE review soon. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.